Hi everyone, it's Sam from I'm so glad you can join me for another demonstration. So today's video is going to be part of our winter collection, which should be now live. Depending on when I upload this video, it might beat the timeline. But let's get started. So I believe this will be winter bouquet number 4. So using lovely box foliage. And what I like to do is just start with the center. And as the center comes at the front, we can play around with that, it doesn't really matter. Lovely spray carnations. Gorgeous tulips. Something about pink tulips, which are really lovely, nice and soft. My favorite, carnation seams. Lovely pink roses. So what we're doing with this one is we want to make sure our foliage is below the flower of the bouquet. I think it just gives it a better look. Since this bouquet is not about the foliage, so that's why we're sticking all the flower blooms above the foliage line. And it'll just give us a little different shape. Be fun to play with. So if something is not sitting quite right, just add a bit of foliage. That should keep it all together. Lovely frasias. So I'm just going to pad the right side out. Lovely bunny tails. I'm really playing with that angle, trying to spread it all the way out. So I'm going to get a little bit of that box foliage and just wrap it around the rose so it can just stay very central. All these snapdragons. And we want to be dramatic. So we're really playing on that angle on the side there. So there we are so far. Now we're going to work on the middle and the right side. Important to take away any bruised leaves, anything damaged. We want everything very clean. on every part of the bouquet to look really nice. So look at that gorgeous purpley pink stock. It's always nice to see what it looks like. So there we are so far. So I got a few more roses that I'm just going to put in between the stalks and sort of just space it out a little bit more. I think it's coming together nicely. I want to exaggerate the width, so I think I'm just going to add some eucalyptus, maybe half a bunch, and that should just make it all nicely how I want. I'm going to save this to last. I think it'll sit just above the stock, and we can just push up these lovely roses, just give it a bit of texture. Maybe we'll leave it like that, and then I'm just going to add some extra eucalyptus foliage. That should bring it all together. So there's where we left off. Just reposition a few things. Now we're just going to add a bit of decoration foliage. And sort of just adjust things as we go around. So the box foliage is just hidden beneath just to get a bit of structure. Now we can sort of exaggerate that. A little bit of eucalyptus. Nice and grey. So I might just have to reposition a few things just to sort of get that angle back. So I might just add one more rose and one more chalk just in the back. I think it's almost done. So there we go. Lovely winter design. Change the wrapping up a little bit, just add a nice little frilly bit.